Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today we are creating a very simple, easy makeup look, and I really wanted to use this palette again. If you guys saw my first video where I did a review on this, honest review on this, testing this out, you know I really enjoyed it. So I wanted to do other looks with this because I feel like a lot of people got their hands on this. It's very affordable and you can create and do so much with this. So I will be using this in future tutorials, future makeup videos for you guys, so we can really make use of what we're spending our money on. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. Okay, so I have a little bit of concealer on my eyes, but I want to go in with this Anastasia primer. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this palette and we're going to start off with Fuego, which is this color, and really buff this into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with this green. I really want to see how pigmented the lighter shades or brighter pastel. Let's look at that. All right, and I'm just going to push this in. It's really pretty. So I'm really just going to push this product in. By doing so, I'm not getting any fallout, which is good because I didn't feel like laying down powder. It's not that I didn't feel like laying down powder, I just forgot. Okay, so now that I laid down the color, I'm just going to make this a little neater. Like that. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this glitter. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in PYRO. And I'm just going to add this right here. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. But I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter. Right there. I'm going to take a little bit of this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Gotcha and run this in my waterline. I'm going to take this multi-dimensional face and body shimmer that's also from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. This is in Luna, and I am going to add this right into the inner tear duct. I'm going to go pretty heavy-handed. Okay, I think I'm going to go back in with this heavy metal glitter liner, and I'm going to add this into the inner tear duct because that gold is throwing all of this off. I don't know, for some reason I felt like it was going to look a little different, so I'm just going in with that same brush, and I'm just going to stamp. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, that's so much better. While my lashes are drying, I'm just going to add a little mascara right here. So I'm going to go in with this Milani Luminoso blush. I don't really feel like putting highlighter on my cheeks, so we're just going to add this. And it gives you a really nice glow. I'm going to add this onto my nose also. Alright, so this is the completed look. For my lips, I went in with Morphe's Bite Me lip liner. Then I added a little bit of this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in San Paulo. I only added a very small amount and kind of just pushed all the product in with my fingers. Then I added a little bit of Colourpop's Quickie lipstick just in the center and topped it off with a very small amount of this Fenty Glossbomb in Fenty Glow. I absolutely love this lip gloss. But yeah, I really liked the way this makeup look turned out. It was really easy, really simple, just a little bit of color and nothing too crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial, this look, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.